Women should be allowed to take the National Defence Academy exams this year is what the Supreme Court said today, rejecting the government's request to defer the move until next year to establish a new system. We gave hope to the girls. We cannot deny them that hope now is what the judges said. The no exam today, exam tomorrow approach would go against the aspirations of young women, the court said, directing a notification for exams on November 14th. The government had suggested that the first ever women candidates for NDA take the exam in May next year. There was too little time to let women take the exams this year is what the government had told the court, but that has been rejected now. Well, let's just take a listen into what one of the petitioners in the case had to say.
The court has directed the Ministry of Defence to come up with a notification that the women entry should be allowed and women to be allowed in the NDA exam for this year, that is 2021, for 14 November. The court has not accepted the submission on behalf of the ministry that this exam be postponed and women be allowed for the next year entry. The court has categorically mentioned that the women entry in the NDA has to be allowed from this year itself, that is 2021.
Well, to talk more about this issue, and are joined by Naina Rai, who wants to join the NDA. Her father is also in the army, and Captain Shalini Singh, a former army officer. Thank you so much, both. And first to you, Naina, you're looking forward to joining the NDA, and the Supreme Court saying they cannot disappoint the girls, that they're keen on joining the NDA, don't want to disappoint them. Naina, if you can hear me?
Sorry, ma'am, your voice was not clear. Can you repeat again?
I was asking your reaction to the developments today and the Supreme Court saying that, we've given hope to the girls and we cannot disappoint them. They want the exams to be held this year itself.
Yes, ma'am. The exams should be held this year only because it would be great opportunity to those girls who had just now passed 12, because they do not have to wait for a long period, 2 or 3 years. They just have to crack the exams and they have to give the SST, and then they will go in NDA and they will have their trainings.
And when will you be taking the exam? You're looking forward to that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Captain Shalini Singh, what is your reaction to these developments? Because clearly there are some practical issues involved, which is why, the government and defense wanted the exams to be delayed so they could prepare for the women entrance. But the court really, saying that we've given so much hope to the girls and we cannot disappoint them.
So good afternoon. See, I think it is a very welcome decision by the Supreme Court that rejecting government's plea that we should not be allowed to give exam this year and go for next year. It's like enough of time has been wasted in past many years where we have spoken about equal opportunity and why NDA should not be open for girls, and now this year just wasting it for preparing for the girls for the infrastructure so that they can accommodate them well next year. We can do it the same this year also.
So, if Captain, if you could take us through what sort of changes would be required, right? If we can reconnect with Captain Shalini Singh there. Naina Rai, if you could, tell us more about, how happy you were when the Supreme Court first said that girls should be allowed into the NDA, and is this something that you were always keen on joining the Indian Army?
Yes, ma'am. I was very glad when I listened this decision that girls should be allowed by this year only for their exams by November. Because, ma'am, it was very long for this decision to be done. And then now also, if they want that this should take time, it would be very disappointing for girls who had just now passed 12. So this is very welcome decision that government had taken, that girls should be given exams by this year, by November. Because the matter, they do not have to wait for a long time.
All right. So Supreme Court ensuring that girls, that hope will not be denied to them and they will be taking the exam this year. Thank you so much for joining us on the channel.